Are you looking for the best 4K security cameras to protect your home or business? With so many different options on the market, it can be tough to decide which camera is right for you. In this video, we will be revealing the top 5 best 4K security cameras on the market today, so stay tuned to find out which cameras made our list. Number 1. Reolink RLC810A, a budget-friendly 4K PoE security camera. The Reallink RLC810A is a 4K PoE security camera that offers excellent performance and features at a competitive price. It is a great option for homeowners and businesses looking for a high-quality security camera that won't break the bank. The RLC810A produces clear and detailed images in both daylight and low-light conditions. It also features a wide field of view and motion detection with adjustable sensitivity. Additionally, the camera can be used for two-way audio communication, which can be useful for deterring intruders or communicating with visitors. The RLC810A is easy to install and can be connected to a PoE, Power over Ethernet switch, or a PoE NVR, network video recorder. It is also compatible with third-party NVRs and can be accessed remotely using the Reolink app or a web browser. Number 2. Lorex LBV4101, a 2K Wi-Fi security camera with color night vision. The Lorex LBV4101 is a 2K Wi-Fi security camera that offers excellent value for the price. It is a great option for homeowners looking for a reliable and easy-to-use security camera. The LBV4101 produces clear and detailed images in both daylight and low-light conditions. It also features color night vision, which allows you to see clear images in the dark without relying on infrared LEDs. Additionally, the camera has a wide field of view and motion detection with adjustable sensitivity. The LBV4101 is easy to install and can be connected to your Wi-Fi network without the need for any additional hardware. It can also be accessed remotely using the Lorex app or a web browser. Number 3. Swann SWDVK-445802V, a 4K surveillance system with two-way audio and spotlights. The Swan SWDVK-445802V is a 4K surveillance system that includes 4 4K cameras, a NVR, and a PoE switch. It is a great option for businesses and homeowners looking for a comprehensive security solution. The SWDVK-445802V produces clear and detailed images in both daylight and low-light conditions. The cameras also feature color night vision, which allows you to see clear images in the dark without relying on infrared LEDs. Additionally, the cameras have a wide field of view and motion detection with adjustable sensitivity. The SWDVK-445802V's NVR can store up to 6 terabytes of footage and can be accessed remotely using the Swan app or a web browser. The system also features two-way audio communication and spotlights, which can be used to deter intruders or communicate with visitors. Number 4. Eufy S330, a wire-free security camera with 2K resolution. The Eufy S330 is a 2K wire-free security camera that offers excellent performance and convenience. It is a great option for homeowners looking for a security camera that is easy to install and does not require any wires. The S330 produces clear and detailed images in both daylight and low-light conditions. It also features motion detection with adjustable sensitivity and a built-in siren. Additionally, the camera can be used for two-way audio communication, which can be useful for deterring intruders or communicating with visitors. The S330 is easy to install and can be mounted anywhere using the included mounting bracket. It can also be powered by the included solar panel, which means you never have to worry about charging the battery. Number 5. Arlo Pro 4, a 2K security camera with wire-free and wire-free options. The Arlo Pro 4 is a 2K security camera that offers both wire-free and wired options. It is a great option for homeowners looking for a versatile security camera that can be adapted to their needs. The Pro 4 produces clear and detailed images in both daylight and low-light conditions. It also features color night vision, which allows you to see clear images in the dark without relying on infrared LEDs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I appreciate your support.